Hello everyone, welcome to the Permabear live stream. We're live on YouTube, Facebook, and Gate.io. So for those who are on YouTube and Facebook, please do subscribe and follow, like, share, and do all of those things. And right now, we can already see your chat. So if you're on YouTube or Facebook, just chat, and I should be able to see your comments or chats. And for those who are on Gate.io, and yeah, so welcome to the channel, and I hope that you will follow me on Gate.io as well. And yeah, you please do chat as well if you have any questions or any uh, uh, any suggested tokens you want me to take a look at. And yeah, this live stream is of course themed Permabear. So basically, if you're going to ask me what my opinion is on the markets, I'll always be bearish. Okay, even though right now we're seeing Bitcoin pumping at the moment. So let's see. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin's charts right now. Okay, let's zoom in on it. Okay, so we see that Bitcoin is continuing its path to possibly try to breach the 70K resistance. Okay, where yeah, I have drawn a yeah, I have drawn this this trend line here. Let me just draw an arrow here. Okay, so you see that Bitcoin seems to be traversing this trend line, and it's possible that it may already break through this. Okay, however, of course, there's always the possibility of it going down. Okay, so it may go this way. So this is what we may be looking at, or this is what you may want to expect, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so I'll discuss my reasons why I believe this is the case. And of course, since my theme, of course, is I'll always be bearish, whatever happens. Okay. Yeah, we're going to take a look at factors that will wake us up in the reality that in most cases this bullish moves are just fueled by hype or speculation. So yeah, anyway, let's proceed and discuss these things and some other matters relating to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, first of all, I would like to welcome everyone who's in the live streams already, and especially in Gate.io. And if you can see, I have a link here at the bottom. Yeah, that's for those who doesn't have Gate.io accounts yet, especially those who are watching on Facebook and YouTube. If you're interested in signing up in Gate.io, just go to that link. It's a bit.ly link. Okay, bit.ly /gate_io. Just go there and sign up for an account and do KYC. Gate.io offers quite a lot of promos, especially airdrops. Of course, if you're really new to the space, I would urge you to be realistic and not really expect a lot from or expect a lot too soon when you begin your journey in cryptos or in cryptocurrency. So just expect that there's lots of things you need to learn. Okay, and if you're impatient, if you just wants to get profits all the time, then this space is not for you. So there will be lots of things to learn, lots of heartbreaks probably. Okay, especially if you don't invest time in educating yourself. So you need to learn a lot. Of course, as with most other things in life, you need to really learn a lot. So I've reconfigured my theme somewhat since I have had some issues with YouTube, and of course I've been busy the past week. So last week I tried an AI themed live stream, and it's obviously not it was not allowed by Gate, so I received a notification. So right now I'm just going to stick with this theme that we have right now. So basically we're just going to be critical on any hype or any pumps that happens, and we're going to search for or look for opportunities. We're going to look for overbought tokens and overvalued tokens, and we're going to check if there's a bearish momentum in certain cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. So that's what we're going to do right now. So if you're on YouTube, please do subscribe and chat. I would like to test out my scripts that I have put in here in my streaming software. So whenever someone subscribes or chats, there will be a notification that will be shown. So of course on gate.io you can always just chat, and I'm going to take a look at that chat box all the time. Okay, so let's now proceed with what we want to show. Okay, let's show our Bitcoin charts or chart, and then let's zoom in. Okay, the first thing we want to take a look at is let's take a look at the RSI. So this is the relative strength index, and we can see now that that Bitcoin. Okay, let's okay, so I'm going to zoom in full zoom. So it's now really very close to the overbought level at 70. So so once it breaches or it hits the overbought level, then you can expect that there will be a tendency that it's going to hit some resistance, and it will probably go down, or it will probably dip. Okay, so that's what happens in most cases. Some investors, of course, take a look at these charts, and maybe the reason why Bitcoin is having trouble pumping beyond 70K right now, or going or breaking the all-time highs, is probably some people taking profits already. Okay, because they don't want to wait for this RSI or of course other technical indicators to show that Bitcoin has been really overbought. Okay, so so this actually serves as a warning. Okay, that once it reaches the 70-point mark of RSI, or even go beyond it, Okay, that's the time to think of taking profits, since the tendency of the price will really go down once it hits it. It's like it's really very hot and it needs to cool off a bit. Okay. So another thing that we may want to take a look at, okay, is the MACD. Okay, so that's for the RSI. So MACD, let's take a look at the MACD and zoom in on it. Okay, so the MACD you see as okay, so the yellow line that you see here is the MACD line, and the white line is the signal line. Okay, and then this line here, me okay, so this is the baseline, the line that you see at the middle. So we see that that the signal line and the MACD line are above the baseline for quite some time already, and it may be due for for a dip. Okay, so we may be looking at this at these lines going down. Okay, so that's it's long overdue, or it's overdue. Of course, there are times, or there are cases when there's really a prolonged prolonged stays, either above or below the baseline. But just to put it in context, it would be best to let's okay, let me just erase this one. Okay, so it would be best to anticipate that these lines, okay, the MACD line, okay, will go below the baseline. So that's what we're taking a look at, okay, or what we're expecting. So of course, there's tremendous or there's pressure, or there's upward pressure. Yeah, there's upward pressure that Bitcoin is still really very strong, and especially with the impending elections. So people are expecting a pump, whether so it doesn't really matter who wins the elections, the U.S. elections, I mean. So if as long as there's a clear winner after the elections, Bitcoin will definitely pump. That's what everyone is saying. Okay, and of course, especially if Trump wins, everybody knows that Donald Trump has a clear pro-crypto stance. So most crypto investors will definitely be very bullish, and maybe put in more money in the crypto space. So that's what everybody else is, what everyone is anticipating. So, however, with this, I think there will be at least 2 weeks. That 2 weeks time that we're taking, we're waiting for. Then we may still see a slight dip first. Okay, so in the short term, okay, maybe 1 to 2 weeks, I'm expecting that Bitcoin may dip to this towards this trend line here. Okay, before it eventually moves to the next leg up. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. So I'm I'm very hesitant, or I'm very doubtful that Bitcoin will just go straight from this point on. Uh, there's still some time left. Okay, and yeah, and the RSI is already close to being overbought. Okay, and the MACD is long overdue for a dip. Okay, so just be careful with your long bets. Okay, be careful with your long bets, and just stay safe in those long bets of yours. Okay, so but of course, if you have a long-term horizon with your crypto investments, then you can always do DCA and buy. Okay, but if you're a day trader, or uh, if you're not really a long-term investor, then you need to be wary of the possibility of a dump before we go to a pump, so that you can take advantage of the opportunities in this space. Okay, so yeah, that's for RSI and MACD, and let's take a look at some news that may affect our stance in terms of the crypto markets. Okay, so I think we can take a look at this. So Elon Musk, or Tesla, has moved 760 million worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so of course some people got spooked, and it may be one of the reasons why we saw Bitcoin dip a bit. Okay, since these major movements normally or usually signifies that these big players are probably going to sell. Okay, and well, of course, I'm always doubtful, or I'm always suspicious of these moves. Although this article actually gives some non-bearish reasons for these moves from these big corporations. Okay, but of course, I would think that some of this Bitcoin will be sold. Okay, and of course, this article also said that there's still no indication that any of this amount has been sold already. Okay, so yeah, but they may just be still preparing for to sell. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see if Elon Musk will sell his Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, so yeah, for those who are new to the channel, I hope that you will support me in Gate.io. Okay, please follow, and of course, if you have any comments, you can put in your comments. For those on YouTube, please subscribe if you're interested in this type of content. So in this channel, I'm just giving you things to take a look at before going all in on certain cryptos, and especially Bitcoin, of course. Although I'm long-term, you can say I'm long-term bullish on Bitcoin. So if, as I've said earlier, if you have a long-term horizon or long-time horizon in your investments, then that's perfectly fine. I'm of course a believer that Bitcoin will go beyond 100K in probably next year. So I also believe that. Okay, but in the long term, it may really reach $1 million, within maybe 20 years. or so. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But in the short term, or in the medium term, I would like to take a bearish stance, because the markets, there are a lot of factors that makes the market move in such a way that in times of pumps, uh, that the pumps are really when you compare the time of pumps versus the time, or the time period of dumps. The time period of dumps exceed the the time of pumps by maybe at the ratio of 1:3. So yeah, so if you, or yeah, 1:3. So you can say that for every 1 year of pumps, there will be 3 years of dumps. So that's why I would like to I would think that the bearish stance is a more logical way to approach these markets. Okay, so yeah, again, if you're new to the channel, I hope that you will follow, or you will support me by following. And from this, I have changed the theme of my my live streams to have a consistent view of things. Okay, and this is not in any way to discourage you from your crypto investments. So I'm just giving you things to take a look at. Okay, to be critical of some of the hypes, especially with the overvalued tokens. Okay, and of course, my opinion is a lot of tokens are overvalued, and most have pumped because of hype, or because of speculation. So yeah, let's take a look at some of the other news. Let me just check on if there are other more interesting news items in CoinDesk. Okay, here's one. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so FBI arrests alleged SEC hacker linked to fake tweet saying Bitcoin's ETFs were approved. Okay, so there was a hack that happened January 24, I think. That's or January 9. Okay, January 9. And yeah, the funny thing here is that a day after the tweet, or a day after this incident, and what happened is the SEC, when they regained control of the account, removed the tweet, and then posted that it was fake, or it was not. It was false. Okay, so they said that the tweet was false, but the day after, they eventually still approved the ETF. So they announced the approval of the ETF. So that's really funny. So, however, of course, a hack is a hack, man. It's if I'm sure that these people are prepared to face the consequences of their actions. So anyway, I just want to let that one out. Okay, and maybe we can take a look at news from Gate.io. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the chat sessions. If you're on Facebook or YouTube, you can chat as well. So I think I also saw a an entry here about profit taking. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so it says here that ongoing profit taking could slow Bitcoin's move to record high. So, yeah, we can see that this is one of the reasons why I also take a bearish stance on this on the crypto markets, because uh, on on the events of pumps, in most pumps, of course, you cannot really prevent people from taking profits. Everyone will do that, of course. So most influencers will tell you to just keep holding, just uh, just uh, stack on your tokens, just keep accumulating. Okay, however, when while you're doing that, they will actually be the one to be selling. They're going to be the ones selling, and they're taking profits while you have your stash. Um, uh, what do you call this? While you're still just collecting all of the tokens, and not taking profits or not benefiting from the pumps. So you have to, of course, learn the timing of when you take profits, and when you buy, if you're a trader. So again, if you have long-term horizon, if you just want to invest for the future, then you can follow them, or you can follow their advice, and just keep accumulating, uh, and not take profits, or short-term profits. Okay. Okay, Dragonfly. Hello, good morning to you too. It's nice to see you here, and I hope that you're enjoying your day. And yeah, if you're not following my channel yet, please do follow. I will appreciate your support. Okay, so we're now discussing some news that we can find in CoinDesk, and maybe Git.io as well. Okay, so I'm still looking at some interesting news articles. So we have another one here. Okay, says here, Coinbase says Bitcoin liquidity on exchange unfazed after SEC's lawsuit against Cumberland. Okay, so yeah, this just shows that the SEC is not done yet with their crusade against crypto. So this is one thing that we need to pay close attention to, and this lawsuits this actually drives people away from this asset class, so from crypto. So if the SEC will continue on doing this, then we cannot really expect people or the retail investment to come in the volumes that we in the crypto space would hope for this space to grow further. Okay, this regulations. So if there will be no clear regulations in this space, then this asset class will not really grow um, anytime soon. So that's one of that's another reason why we need to be critical of the pumps in the crypto space. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin's price right now. We're moving to we're now at 68K once again. Okay, and we'll see if it's going to hit the overbought levels. Okay, so it's really very close to being overbought. Okay, and as I've said earlier, once it hits the overbought levels, then you can expect that some dips to happen. Okay, so it may of course go beyond the 70-point mark. It can even go beyond. Yeah, as you can see here, there are points when it almost reached, it almost reached 90. So there will be times like that. Okay, but usually when it hits 70, it will usually dip a bit. So maybe there we may see we may see it hit or breach the 70K price level soon. Okay, but as I've said earlier, I'm expecting that before the elections, before the U.S. elections, it's probably going to go down a bit. Maybe get supported by this trend line here. Okay, and yeah. Anyway, if so, we're really not sure what the whales are thinking of right now. If they want to pump it up already beyond 70K, then obviously they can do that. Okay, so right now we're just waiting for it to for this thing to erupt, maybe to push or to boost the crypto markets further. So let me just pull up CNBC and let's check on what's happening on the Asian markets. Okay, so do we see that these are the indexes that that we see? So the Australian index is down. Okay, then Japan is still in the green. Hong Kong is green, and the Chinese or Shanghai Stock Exchange is down as a bit. Okay, so Access China's economic data. Okay. So sometimes this movements in the markets can also affect Bitcoin's price. So we're going to take a look at this as well in our live streams. Okay. Okay, so we have some red packets for you. Thanks to the admin for dropping in. Okay, and for those of you who have time, of course, please wait. Please wait for your red packets to be claimable. Okay, and I hope that you will, of course, support my channel by following. Okay, and Yeah, obviously, if you're a bull, or if you're a maxi of any token, uh, I hope that you will still follow and watch my live streams, so that you can have a different perspective of things. Okay, we're just being realistic, and we really cannot expect everything to keep going up, 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 without any sort of correction. So that's always going to happen. Okay, so even if there's a huge well, when there will be huge pumps, there will certainly be some periods of corrections. Okay, so let me go to the news section of Gate.io and see if we can find any news here that we can discuss. Again, if you're on YouTube and Facebook, please subscribe and follow and chat. I will. I should. I have configured. Yeah, I have configured my thing here to be able to catch your chats and your subscriptions and follows. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we see here, it says that a certain whale staked 1.63 million eigen 40 minutes ago, equivalent to $5.47 million. And okay, right now it's at a loss of 560,000. So we're not sure if this whale has some insider info about eigen, and okay, and maybe he knows something that we don't. Okay, so if you believe that yeah, so it's staking. So we know that staking, it's gonna be locked for some time. So you're guaranteed that this certain amount of eigen will not be withdrawn anytime soon. And yeah, of course, plus the fact that this whale will not probably invest this huge amount without some sort of knowledge of what's happening in that platform. So yeah, if you're interested, of course you can check it out. Okay, maybe we can check eigen's charts and see what the indicators will tell us. Okay, so while it's loading, let's see. So gate user 59C9A42C, good morning to you as well, brother. I hope that you're enjoying your day. Okay, we're looking now at the eigen layers charts. So actually it's pumped a bit. It's actually pumped. Okay, and well, it seems to be yeah, that whale actually made a good a good investment, and you may want to follow his lead. Okay. So eigenlayer is pumping at the moment, and this is a pretty new token, and it's been it has seems to be recovering from its low, its recent low, and yeah, you can. It's probably a good idea to buy into this token right now. Okay, so that's for Eigenlayer. Okay, let's look. Okay, I'm also still going to find other news items here. Okay, so for those who are new to the channel, as I've mentioned earlier, don't forget to wait for your red packets before you leave. Okay, open it up and you should get some free airdrops from our admin. And if you haven't followed my channel yet in gate.io, please do follow. And for those on YouTube and Facebook, if you don't have a gate.io account yet, you can go to this link below. So that's bit.ly/_gate_io. That's a sign up. That's a place you can sign up for an account in gate.io. You should receive some freebies when you sign up and be eligible for lots of promos and airdrops when you join gate.io. Okay, well, I'm still checking for some news here. Okay. So if you have any questions, if you want a shout out, just chat and I'll be surely giving you a shout out. And if ever you have any trouble hearing me, or if you see any technical problems in the chat or in this live stream, just please let me know. Okay, I have a new setup, obviously a new theme right now. Okay, so let's take a look at this other news here. So the probability of a 25 basis points rate cut by the Fed in November is 86.2%. Okay. Okay, the probability of cumulative interest rate cuts of 25 basis points by December is 24.4%, and the probability of cumulative rate cuts of 50 basis points is 73.6%. So up to the end of this year, most of these people surveyed believe that we may just have 50 basis points until the end of the year. So that's not. There were rumors previously that we may be able to get up to 100 basis points rate cuts up to the end of the year. So some actually believe 75, but right now we're probably going to. We can probably expect 50 basis points rate cuts up to by the end of the year. Okay, King OG, hello to you too. Nice to see you here, and I hope that you're enjoying your day. Obviously, if we have a red packet available for you for you to claim later. Okay. What is the reward for watching time? Well, from what I know, you can claim red packets. That's the reward, I think. I'm not sure if you're talking about any other rewards. Sometimes there are promos for watching live streams, and at the moment I'm not aware of any. So anyway, VLK V Max, thank you for dropping in, And if you haven't subscribed or if you haven't followed my Gate.io channel yet, please do so. I do this every day. Right now I'm on a new schedule, 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. So this channel will discuss things that will make you think twice of about any hypes or any bullish moves that's been happening. So we're going to just take a different perspective against most of the crypto influencers that you may see. Of course, their point of view is long-term investment. Of course, that's why they seem to take mostly bullish stance on Bitcoin and some other crypto. Okay, so King OG, hope to catch nice trade with you. Okay, so yeah, I'm still working on some content to share with you. But for now, we're just going to take a look at some of the news items. And now, however, if you believe that this trend will continue with Bitcoin, in most cases, a lot of coins will follow Bitcoin's pattern, especially the L1s. So if you believe that Bitcoin will not dip before the elections, then you can already buy L1s right now. Okay. What your type, daily or swing? I believe that I'm a swing to medium-term trader. So my time frame or my time horizon is at least a week. Okay, so at least 1 week. Okay, but I'm ready to wait for months. Okay, before taking profits. So that's me. I'm not really into day trading or scalping. So that's for people who wants to invest all their time in the crypto. So I have a regular day job as well. So I just do this for fun actually, and to share some insights with you guys. So my views would be in that context. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So we just discussed the rate cuts, and let's check on anything else here. Okay. While we're looking at here. Chinese, Russian, several banks. Well, okay. Transfer volume of USDC. Okay, well, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Yesterday, the transfer volume of USDC on Base Network reached a record high with a daily processing of over $17.5 billion. So this movement of USDC is actually a bullish indication. Okay, it means that people are preparing to buy crypto. Okay, whether it be Bitcoin or maybe some other assets. This movement of stable coins, not only USDC. If you see big movements of USDT, then that's most probably indication that they are preparing to buy crypto. Okay, so this may be in preparation for the incoming pump on October or on November. So the pumps usually Okay, usually the pumps during this season, especially election season, happens on October, starting on October, and then uh, up to December, and then by January things settle down, and there's uh, what can say historically there's a pattern that there will be sell-offs on January. Okay. So, however, it doesn't happen all the time. Okay, so there are also years or election years when Bitcoin actually dipped on October. See, but November, after the of course after the results, when the results are already clear, then that's the time when Bitcoin and actually all the markets, all of the asset classes pump. Okay, because investors like to have certainty. So if there's uncertainty, that's the time when these assets dump or dip. So we have around 8 minutes left for the live stream, and maybe we can just go back to Bitcoin. Since we don't have any requests for token reviews. Okay, Bitcoin. So again, guys, if you haven't followed me on gate.io yet, please do so. I will really appreciate your support. Okay, so now let's take a look at Bitcoin's charts here. Okay, maybe we can zoom in the 15-minute charts to see the pump that just happened. What's my ethnicity? I'm well. They say that our country was from Malay. Well, that's what history says. But if you're asking about my country, I'm Filipino. So OX Megumi. Thanks for your question. I would assume that you're Japanese based on your name, but anyway, thank you for dropping in, and I hope to see you around. And I do this every day, 10 a.m. and I will really be happy to see you every day and maybe chat with you. So if you have a YouTube account, you can check out my new channel, the Permabear, and maybe support me as well in that channel as well. That's yeah, the Permabear. Just search for it in YouTube. Should be able to see it. So yeah, Bitcoin's trying to make a move right now after we saw it dip a bit, or make a gradual dip during this stage here. Okay, but right now it's recovering. Okay, so the correction is not really significant, and this may just be a rest period. You can say it's this dip here. It may just be a rest period before, in preparation for another pump. Let's see if this will. Yeah, if Bitcoin will already be able to breach 70K. So if you have any, as I've said, if you have any tokens, your favorite tokens you want me to take a look at, feel free to chat. If you're on Facebook and YouTube, maybe you can try chatting. I'm not sure if my settings are already correct, but I should be able to see your chats already. Also, please like and share and do all of those things to help me get noticed by the algorithm of YouTube and Facebook. So on gate.io, just chat and yeah, it's free. So just let's just chat and have fun here. So yeah, okay. So we're just going to stay here for maybe another 3 to 5 minutes. Trendy coins. Maybe you can give me one. Okay. So we checked on one eigen layer. So we saw a news item saying that a certain whale staked his eigen token, and maybe you want to take a look at it, gate user FEV84250. So that's one token I can suggest you take a look at if you're. I think the price level of that token is cheap right now compared to its price on its initial offering, or when the token was launched. So yeah, the staking that happened from a certain whale will yeah, is probably an indication that it's probably a good time to buy right now. SUI, yeah, let's take a look at SUI. It's been strong the past weeks. I haven't seen the charts recently, but let's take a look at it. The daily chart. Yeah. Yeah, SUI is an L1, as I've said. If you believe that Bitcoin is already on its way to keep pumping, then the L1s are pretty good investments right now, or pretty good bets at this point. And SUI has been very strong. Okay, so let's take a look how. So maybe you can start from this point. Okay, so for it's been performing very good for 2.5 months already. Okay, and yeah, and of course we're expecting. So especially if you have a long-term horizon, then you can already start DCAing in this token. But if you're looking for quick profits, if you're a day trader, then I'm not into that. Okay, so yeah, you can definitely invest in SUI as suggested by King OG. Hold 50% and sell 50%. Yeah, that's what you should do if you think that Bitcoin will make a dip before November, or before the elections, which is what I believe in. So I believe that Bitcoin is due for a dip, maybe 1 to 2 weeks of dips. Okay, before it makes its next leg up by November. Yeah, but for sure, I'm very sure that if that when Bitcoin pumps uh, in a big way, when it goes beyond 70K, so we will one of the tokens that will benefit. Two is really very strong. It's the next Solana, as some of or a lot of analysts suggest. Okay, so guys, I think we've already reached our 1 hour for today. I would like to thank you for staying with me this past hour, and I hope to see you again tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. Okay, so stay safe, happy trading, and goodbye for now.